Hey everyone, it's time to announce the winner of our Post Tenebras Love Bible Raffle number 4. And this raffle, we had this beautiful rebind from Buckeye Bible Rebinds, courtesy of Emma Brohard. This is a New King James MacArthur Study Bible, 2nd edition, courtesy of our friends at Thomas Nelson Bibles. So thank you guys again for donating your services and the Bible so we can have this raffle for the Rice family. Now, as a reminder, these raffles are for Jeffrey and Catherine Rice and their family. Their son TJ, Titus, he is still in the hospital doing so much better. He's gaining weight. They're looking like they're going to be able to bring him home in the next few weeks. So we're excited about that, but we're still wanting to raise some money to help them while they're traveling back and forth. And as a really quick preface, I use an Excel spreadsheet with an index and ran between function to select the random winner of these raffles.
Nerd alert!
So I know you're excited to hear who won this amazing Bible. The winner of this Bible is Laura Smith. Laura, congratulations. So excited for you. Emma did an amazing job. This is a super unique red goat skin. It's just really, really cool. The Bible itself is amazing. This New King James MacArthur Study Bible 2nd edition is awesome. So I know you're going to be so pleased with this amazing Bible. And thank you all, everyone who contributed to this raffle. We have one more raffle to go. And let me give you a little quick preview of that one. It is, sheepskin. Oh my goodness. Emma did awesome on this thing. I can't wait to show you guys this one in the next video. I'll be posting the raffle number 5, which is our final Post Tenebras Love raffle video right after this one posts, the announcement video post for raffle number 4. So stay tuned and please continue to participate in these raffles as this is our final raffle number 5. Again, thank you to everyone who participated and contributed, especially Emma at Buckeye Bible Rebinds. Go check her out. I'll leave a link in the description below for her information. If you're looking for a rebind, go check her out. And our friends at Thomas Nelson Bibles, the whole team, but especially Philip Nation and Nikki Getman. So thank you guys again. Also, again, congratulations, Laura. You're going to get an amazing Bible. Please leave a comment down below congratulating Laura. And see you guys in the next one. Take care. God bless.